Hello, my name is Germán Oliva. I am the chef of the Embassy of Mexico in Japan. And today we're gonna make new recipes with the ingredients that I found at Chiba Prefecture. The main ingredient that I want to show you is this clam called hoon binos. Mitsuba, tomato, and yuzu. Also we have onion, cheese, soy sauce, olive oil, garlic, and sake. First, we're going to clean the clams. I'm going to open. I'm going to take them out from the shell. The shells, we're going to use them after. So what we're going to do is just to rinse them and clean them as good as possible, okay? What I'm going to do with these ones is just take out this black part that they have. A very strong flavor. After that, the only thing that I'm going to do is just cut them in small pieces. I'm going to do small pieces, but if you see, I don't want them to be very, very small because I want to feel the texture when I'm eating the clams. Okay. That's it. I already chopped my clams. I'm going to start to chop the vegetables, okay? What I'm going to do is just to take out the seeds. Just cut. The onion, very thin. Want to chop the mitsuba. I'm gonna start with the olive oil. Just 1 spoon of olive oil. And then much of garlic. This is going to be very, very quickly, okay? I add the other vegetables. Use the sake. Is just going to take the taste of sake. That's what I'm looking for. Once that it reduces, I'm going to put it in a bowl, okay? I'm going to add the clam. And I'm going to mix it. Okay. After this, I'm going to add soy sauce as well. And Mexicans, we love the citrus taste as lime or lemon. So that's why I decided to use yuzu. Yuzu. And I'm going to mix. Stuff the shells, okay? One. Two. After this, I'm going to add some cheese. So in my opinion, if it's cooked clam, it's going to be perfect with cheese. That's why I decided to mix it. So now we're going to bake these clams just to get the cheese melted, okay? We're going to oven around 5 minutes or until the cheese that you choose is melted. It smells very good. This is a fusion between Mexican techniques and Japanese ingredients. And it reminds me as Baja California food. We want to get this recipe in the recipe book from the Embassy of Mexico in Japan. This is very tasty. The hombinosu taste is very characteristic. It's different of other clams that I have tried here in Japan and also in Mexico. So I will tell you that you have to try to make this recipe at your house.